And let me be clear, as I possibly can be. Hacienda has done nothing short of saving our son's life. It is the best run facility of its kind and the safest, highest quality intubated care facility I have known in 3 decades as a practicing physician.
It has now been 6 months since we have learned that a patient living at the Phoenix Hacienda HealthCare facility was raped and then gave birth. Staff knew nothing of that problem, but since then, other issues have also come to light. But today, for the very first time, we're hearing from families standing up for the embattled critical care facility. Our Lauren Reimer joining me live tonight with what those families had to say. Obviously, really a lot of emotion on both sides of this issue.
Absolutely. Even after these back-to-back issues, parents of other Hacienda patients say the problems have, in their mind, been exaggerated. Right now, Medicaid plans to terminate its agreement with Hacienda HealthCare, and the state of Arizona has threatened to revoke Hacienda's license. And facing those changes today, parents Dr. Alan Strobel and his wife Tammy drove up from Tucson. Their 30-year-old son Logan has lived at Hacienda for the last 3 years. Today, they were joined by a handful of other patients' families as they stood up for the facility, its employees, and their leaders.
It's a tragedy. It's horrible. And I can't imagine going through it. But to say this is a horrible institution is completely incorrect. Some bad things happened here, but it's a great institution.
And due to the level of care their loved ones need, they say there aren't any other facilities that could take care of them. And they worried what would happen and where their loved ones would live if that facility closed. And the Arizona Department of Health Services said that even if they do revoke Hacienda's license, it does not mean that the facility must close or that patients would have to move out.
And we're talking about the critical care unit at Hacienda HealthCare. How many patients are in there, and then how many families showed up to really stand in support of Hacienda today?
So we know right now in that facility there are about 35 remaining patients, and at today's press conference there were the parents of 2 patients spoke publicly, and then there were 2 more individuals that remained in the background but did not speak.
And more issues that will continue to follow here at Hacienda HealthCare. Lauren, thank you.